when you see a high-voltage power line falling. Otherwise, you will regret it for the rest of your life. This is because when high-voltage wires fall to the ground, the voltage will spread out in concentric circles from the center of the contact point with the ground. This will form a strong electric field. This range is approximately a radius of 20 meters, and there will be some potential differences between these circles. It is also commonly known as step voltage. If you are walking on it at this time, a step voltage will appear between the 2 feet and the ground. At the same time, high voltage current will also form a path between the body and the ground. It will flow in from the foot with the higher potential, then flows out from the lower foot, and it is at this moment of in and out. It will cause great harm to the human body. It may even directly lead to your death if encountering an accidental fall of a high voltage wire. How can we save ourselves? First, we need to stay calm. When you step into this dangerous zone, you may feel a little numb, but don't worry. The voltage at this point is not enough to be fatal, because the step voltage is determined by the distance from the ground point and the distance between the feet. So don't go any further at this time, because the distance between the feet is wider. A higher voltage will be generated. The damage to our bodies will be greater. So if you encounter a high voltage line falling, start by lifting one foot to break the circuit, then jump backwards with one foot. Try to stay away from areas with strong electric fields. If you feel like jumping on one foot is too tiring, you can also choose to close your feet tightly. Jump out with both feet in a direction away from the grounding point. Of course, you can also move slowly with your feet rubbing against each other. But remember to only move a few centimeters at a time. Don't take big steps to leave. And you must always maintain a state where your feet cannot leave the ground. So this video must be shared with your favorite people. It can save lives at critical moments.